We in the kitchen, as you can tell. Tell them what we about to eat.
We about to eat honey barbecue chicken, white rice, and broccoli.
Let's get to it.
Alright, so we have all of our ingredients laid out. We're gonna start with boiling the water for the broccoli since that usually takes the longest. After that, we're probably gonna start with getting the chicken prepped and seasoned good. We got the sticky and smooth barbecue for the sauce. I'm very excited for this. Jay actually picked it out.
Let's see, which one? This one, isn't it? You hear it now. Ooh, old school, baby. We need to add some salt. Give this joint a little flavor at the bottom of this joint. The broccoli, yes sir. You always want to do that too when you're cooking spaghetti so that the noodles don't stick. Fun fact. I keep telling her that it boils faster if you put the top on, but she disagrees with me. So, I mean, it's all good. Let that boil a little bit. Now it's time to rinse the chicken off and start seasoning. She is a big believer in clean as you go, am I right?
Yes, you have to clean as you go.
Yes, we just rinsed off the chicken wings. We are about to season, flour, all that. Let's do it. What we're gonna do right now is add our 1 cup of flour. 1/2 plus 1/2 is what? Then we got our 1 tablespoon of chili powder, which we don't have a measuring tablespoon, but we got a regular spoon. So we're just gonna kind of, you know, go with the flow. Go with the, should be enough.
Next, we're gonna put the salt in. I have to like shake it over in a bowl so it doesn't get everywhere. And next is pepper.
Go together like salt and pepper. So we're supposed to have a little bit of paprika. This is the closest thing that we could find, I guess, you know. Next, we got 1 tablespoon of that sweet garlic. Give it a quick mix. Gotta get it right for the chicken.
I'm just prepping the oven and getting this ready for the chicken to go on.
Because we don't want the chicken to stick, right?
Right.
We don't got no, what's it called?
No
spray.
cooking spray.
Yeah,
so
no cooking spray. So this is the best.
this will do. Just make sure it gets all around because when it sticks, that's the worst.
Yeah. Grab your piece of chicken. Go ahead, boom, just like that. Get a little touch of that joint. Boom, just like that. And that bad boy is pretty much ready to go. As so. That's how they look now. Nice and
Nice and glazed.
nice
like,
and glazed.
It's not
or whatever. We still have a few left over, and we don't have another pan, so we're just gonna put these in at first. Be careful.
But for real. Oh gosh.
We put that on for 220 degrees Celsius. That's what they do here in Europe. For about 45 minutes. Flip at halftime. Unfortunately, we lost our game today, but cooking is making me feel a little better, so. Come on, bro, boil. We got the broccoli and we got the well, it was boiling a little bit better, but it don't matter, it's still boiling a little
Bro,
bit.
we had this water, as you can tell from the beginning of the video, boiling for a minute. We're putting the broccoli in.
Oh, be careful now. Alright, so it has been about 25 minutes, so now it's time to turn this chicken. Ooh, smells pretty good. Let me get my oven mitts. Okay. Okay. Okay, you see it? Put them back in there for another 20, 25 minutes. Maybe a little longer. We'll see. You gotta have the cooker's eye. So, got the broccoli going, that going. Then we're gonna do the rice last because it's the easiest to cook. And
a little bit more chicken.
yeah, we don't want to waste any chicken, you know. So, time to take out the chicken. It's been 45 minutes. Let's see what this looking like. Oh yeah, watch out. It's a little heated. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, it's looking done. Yes, sir. Job is not done. It's time to put some honey and some barbecue sauce. Mix it up.
1 cup of barbecue sauce.
We've been putting this honey in for about 5 hours now. One half cup of honey.
Did you?
Man, it seems like a lot of honey. Hey, we just tasted a little bit of this barbecue honey sauce. It already tastes good, bro. Wait, let me go ahead and just see what this tastes like real quick. You gotta get a good taste. Don't even. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us.
Bro, this may be the best meal that we have cooked.
Ooh. Back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Wings looking good. Nice and flavorful. Just like we like. The burnt, it looks a little burnt on the edges right there, but it's all good, man. We ain't worried about that. But look, we got the lemon. If you want to get a little extra taste, a little extra tang, this is all you gotta do. Woo, get some little lemon juice. Woo, 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 woo. Spread that around like that. Oh my gosh. You know, I gotta add some a little extra. Got the soy sauce. You know, we gotta add a little bit of, ooh. As you can see, we got our chicken, we got our broccoli, we got our rice. Let's try it, shall we?
I'm excited. Yeah. And this piece.
So I'll do my little break. Oh, that kind of look nice. Let's try it.
No, this is good.
I'm not gonna lie. We did it. We actually did it.
We did it. Like, this is so good. And honestly, the recipe is so easy. Definitely have to try this. 100 out of 10.
This is our first time cooking chicken wings, so.
Yeah, we're not professionals by any means, but
That sure tastes like it. Let's try the rice and broccoli.
okay.
Dang. I added some butter with the rice and then just some salt and pepper on the broccoli with some soy sauce.
And we didn't get us making the rice on camera because it's pretty easy. We just boil it for 11 minutes, so.
Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this cooking video. Let us know if y'all want us to cook anything else, desserts, any other dinners, lunches.
We're always down to cook whatever. We love cooking.
We love cooking. So we might, Janeless Cooks. We might turn the channel Janeless Cooks. We'll see, but catch us in the next video. Until next time.
Peace out.